Come inside. We are starting with the 10 minutes of cultural program, and you will see why this culture program. Usually you do culture program with a perspective in terms of encouraging the local folk musicians and local folk art and so on and so forth. But this time what you're going to see is something which you may not have seen unless you are in my age group or higher. So we have a small video about the culture program that you're going to see. It's a 1.5 minutes video. So Rohit, can we have the video, please?
Indian performing arts such as traditional magic, snake charming, juggling, and acrobatics date back to the periods of ancient civilizations. Hishamuddin Khan is an Indian Madari who was born into a family of magicians. Hishamuddin apprenticed with his grandfather and father, both of whom were seasoned street magicians, and learned his craft such as sleight of hand and disappearance tricks. This master magician rose to the international acclaim by performing the great Indian rope trick, debunking the myths that the legendary trick was only a figment of fevered Western imaginations. Hishamuddin was ranked among the top 20 magicians in the world after he successfully performed the Indian rope trick before a crowd of 25,000 people, including celebrities, ministers, and senior bureaucrats in 1997 at the Udupi beach in Karnataka. The event was recorded and telecasted by CNN, BBC, Doordarshan, and London television stations. Hishamuddin Khan, a man who claims to be the only person in the world to have performed a version of the Indian rope trick in the outdoors, has toured many countries in Europe and Asia for his show-stopping performances.
Let's welcome Hishamuddin.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. So I'm here for you to entertain something. First of all, I would like to tell you about myself. I'm a Madari street magician, as you know, Indian people and the foreigners. Street performers, जिसको हिंदी में मदारी कहते हैं. And I do magic.
Great performer, not cheap performer. Great performer.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. मदारी क्या होता है? यहाँ पे बॉलीवुड है, क्लासिकल है, बहुत सारे फोक आर्ट्स हैं. मदारी जो सड़क पे परफॉर्म करते हैं, द स्ट्रीट परफॉर्मर परफॉर्मिंग ऑन स्ट्रीट, thousands years of history in India. So there is no any school in India where you can go and learn snake charming, street magic, acrobat, jugglers and all. So all these kind of street performing arts belong to the tribes and families. So I belong to a tribe and I do magic. I learned it by my father, and my father learned it by his father, and he learned it by his father, and history goes back to thousands of years. So this is a very different school of learning. So that's how I learned it. I didn't go to school at all like you people. So thank God my parents didn't destroy me. I'm very happy to be a street performer. So yeah, I'm running a trust to save my people and tribes. And वो शुरू करने के बाद अब मुझे लग रहा है मैंने क्यों शुरू किया ट्रस्ट. It's very difficult to explain to the people. वो कहते हैं कि आप orphanage के लिए बजट ले लो, दूसरे के लिए बजट ले लो, वुमेन पावर के लिए ले लो. Saving a tribal, not a good idea. So well, ये है सारा. इसके साथ I would like to share my few experience. जैसे आप Digital Empower Foundation, I'm very thankful to Osama sir and whole team that they have given me chance to perform in front of you. एक मेरे लाइफ का इंसिडेंट मुझे याद आ रहा है जब मैं 8-9 साल का था, अपने फादर के साथ पंचायत में बैठे हुए थे. और पंचायत किस चीज़ का था? एक स्ट्रीट परफॉर्मर पहली बारी जमा मस्जिद से 7-8 रुपए का एक कैमरा लेके आया था. वो ऐसे देख के सामने और क्लिक करते थे, फोटो आता था, 2 उसके सामने होते थे. तो उस बात का पंचायत था वो. जब वो कैमरा लाया था तो सब लोग ना खुश थे ना दुख थे. लेकिन जब उसने फोटो खींची, रील धुल के आया, सब लोग देख रहे थे, तो सब लेडीज लोग के फोटो थे। देन ओल्ड ट्राइबल गोट एंग्री, तुमने मेरी बीवी का फोटो खींचा? सचमुच पंचायत लग गई, और पंचायत लग गई। वो बैठा हुआ था एक आदमी, सब लोग उसको ब्लेम कर रहे थे, देखो इसने सब औरतों के फोटो खींच लिए। तो एक पंच था जो उसके पास था, उसने उसको टपली दी, कहता औरतों के तो खींचे, बेवकूफ ने खुद के भी खींच लिए। बट नाउ टाइम इज चेंजिंग, नाउ ऑन यूट्यूब। अब वो याद आता है तो मुझे लगता है कि यार वो अच्छा हुआ सब लोग भूल गए, नहीं तो मेरा क्या हाल होता। वेल, मेरे पास एक बैग है जादू का। आई एम सॉरी पीपल, मैं यहाँ पे बैठने जा रहा हूँ। कैन यू सी मी? आप देख सकते हैं ना सब लोग? आई एम सॉरी, जो इसकी वजह से नहीं देख पाए वो इधर खड़े हो सकते हैं गैलरी में। थोड़ा सा ओह, और पीछे ओके। मेरे पास एक बैग है, नहीं मैं हो जाऊंगा, मुझे डर है मेरी लुंगी ना खुल जाए। I have this bag and there's a magic stick always magicians have carrying. I'm a street performer, street magician, so I have also magic stick. Do you want to see my magic stick? Yes. Oh, do you know Harry Potter? Yes. So I brought this magic stick from his cousin brother, Perry Hotel, in a village of Muradabad. Written by J.K. Rowling, Munshi Premchand. Ladies and gentlemen, say the magic words to me. The pure Indian magic words. Aloo rate. Say louder. Aloo rate.
Aloo rate.
Aloo rate. The magic stick. What is this?
Magic stick.
No, this is the leg of chair actually. This is the thing that we are trying to explain to the people कि जो कुछ आपको दिखता है वो मत मानो, उसे असली चीज भी जानो। ये चारपाई का पाया है, इससे जादू होता है। क्योंकि जादू तो मैं जानता हूँ, ये मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ। आप कैसे करते हैं? How you will do magic with it? I will teach you. First of all, you have to hold it like this. Then you have to rub it on the floor. Then rub it on the palm. First time I was in England in 2005, and my friends taught me English for this magic, and I was performing for different kind of children, different culture. So I said to a boy, rub it on the palm. He could not follow my accent. He was rubbing on the palm. And I was cursing my friend in oh my God, what kind of magic English he taught me. So this is the palm. So I will put it down. I will pick up something. I will put it in my hand. Then I will take it, and then you have to say gilly gilly or aloo rate, whatever you are comfortable with it. The pure on street we use thus landuri, so you can use it if you don't mind. Who wants to try? If anybody wants to try, you can come on street, please. Here on street. एक आदमी कौन आएगा? आ जाओ जल्दी. See, please give me a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. See, yeah, he's a very good guy. He wants to do thus landuri. What's your name? Chandrakant, sit down. गड़बड़ मत करना प्लीज। नहीं सर, मैं आज तक नहीं की मैंने। ये आप पकड़ो and rub it on the floor. Rub it on the palm slowly. Yes. मजा आ रहा है? Okay. Leave it down. Leave it down. Pick up something. Put it in your palm. Take the stick. Yes. Say aloo rate. Aloo rate. Open your hand. सारा मंत्र पंचर कर दिया साहब। दो मेरे को स्टिक। अभी दोबारा से। Everybody, can you see my palm? हाँ, palm. Take care. Okay. I'm rubbing it on the floor. Rub it on the palm. Leave the stick. Pick up something. Aloo rate. So you check it out and tell the people which coin is this. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. Yes, please give me a big hand. Now, thank you very much. Now you can take your seat. I'll call you again. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2 pound coins. ये मैंने कैसे बनाया? आलू रेट से, जादू से. Am I right? Yeah. लेकिन ये सचमुच का जादू नहीं है. अगर ऐसे ठुसलंडूरी से 2 पाउंड बनता, तो मुझे आपके पास आने का जरूरत नहीं था. मैं ओसामा सर के पास हेल्प के लिए नहीं जाता. अपने घर में वाइफ के साथ बैठ के, बच्चों के साथ बैठ के ठूस लंडूरी इतने सारे पाउंड मिल जाते, but there is no real magic in ठूस लंडूरी. So this is the coin which is I taken from my bag and I made a presentation and मैंने आपको बना के दिखाया, so you are feeling, you are laughing. अब और इसको I will make it more difficult for me and more entertaining for you guys. How? This is the one coin and now I'll make it two. अभी एक है, दो हो जाएगा, लेकिन जादू से नहीं होगा. I am the magician in the world who can open the secret before the magic. दो कैसे होगा? एक ये है और दूसरा कॉइन ऑलरेडी मेरे बैग में है, इसको निकाल के दो बना दूंगा. Now, what is the magic in it? Magic is this: you will not see me when I will take coin from my bag. That's the challenge for your eyes. You are the people from digital world and all. Well, now you see. If you will see that I'm taking the coin, so you can ask me, huh? Don't be shy and say, don't do that. If you see me, then you have to scream because there's no. Can you on the light, full house light, if you can, huh? Okay. So what I will do is, I will keep in my left hand, magic stick is in the bag. I'm taking little magic dust, and I'll do 3 times. And I'll make it double. What happened? No! I'll show you. You can check it out. See, 1. एक ही है. ये रहा. No, other end is empty. Oh, this end. I'm sorry, this is the Chus Landuri. No, this is empty. No, it's totally empty. वो मैंने लिया ही नहीं, ये रहा. It's a matter of perception. हाँ, मैंने नहीं निकाला था. कई सारे लोग हैं ना, वो डिजिटल और कई सारी चीजों को जो कोसते रहते हैं, but you know how to use them. तो एक है, अभी मैंने क्या किया, वो मैंने कैसे किया? I kept in my left hand, I touched the back, then you got it out, maybe I have taken it. Just I kept front of you one. I'll take little magic dust and I'll make it double now. What's happening? No, see, it's 1. Empty. No, this is also empty. नहीं लिया, वो भी इधर ही. Huh? You can clap if you don't mind. This happened with me while performing in Europe or like, so जब ये स्ट्रीट पे करता हूँ लोग खड़े होकर ताली बजाते हैं. इंडिया में कई बार इसको और अच्छे से प्रेजेंट करता हूँ ना, लोग सोचते कैसे किया. They forget to clap. Okay, so these are the 2 coins. Now I'll make 4 coins in your hands, not in my hand. So I would like to call this lady. Can you come, please, on the stage?
Megan.
Yes, please, ladies and gentlemen, please give her a big hand. What's your name? Begum. Begum के लिए जोर से ताली बजाते. And now 2 coins will become 4 in her hand. Can you do like this? 4. 2 coins. And Begum, can you hold these coins and close your hand tightly? Keep it up. Thank you very much. Now I'll ask them to say 1, 2, 3. Which country you belong to? Gas is not a country. USA. Oh my God. Okay. I will ask them to say 1, 2, 3. You understand 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then they will say 3. You will blow it and throw their 4 coins. That would be the great. Okay. Everybody ready? Please say 1. 1, 2, 3. भाई साहब इसको ऊपर फेंक देना जरा. यहाँ रखिए. Begum, this is not a pound. This is the currency of Selampur. Thank you very much. You disappeared the coins. Well, who is he? Dave. Yes. Is he your husband? No. Boyfriend? No. Why you are wandering together in India? It's great. Yeah. You should have begun. Very good. Sir, can you come? Yeah, when I went to Japan, I went in the house with the sister. No, you have to follow our culture. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. What's your name? Dave. Dave. Like Dev Anand. See, American Dev Anand. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big hand. Dave, sir, can you put one your leg there? One leg here. Third leg. Oh, you have only two. Okay, can you do like this? Bega has taken 2 coins, and I have a doubt maybe she has transferred that coins to you. Huh? Okay, let's see. My stick is there, my hands are empty. Focus, focus, gilly, gilly, come on. Okay. So, 1, 2. My friend, yeah, come. Thank you very much. Americans, they have dollars, but there would be not any problem. Now we will check his toilet every day full of pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, now one more trick, which is I have learned it by my father. I'm starting this trick, and just I would like to ask you a question. What we had in India for hair wash and for shower when we had no any shampoo or soap in India? Who can answer the question? Please tell me what we had for hair wash and shower in India when we had, sorry?
Rita.
Rita, Shikakai. Huh? Not Rita, she was Helen in 70s. This is the one Rita seed, soap nut you can say, and still you can use it for hair wash. If you will break it, you will find nut there, you will rub it with the water and you can get hair wash. And now, the magic is this, ladies and gentlemen, I will eat it and it will come into my bag. That's the great magic. Please clap for me, I'm eating it. Louder. I have eaten it. Where is the ball?
In the bag.
In the stomach?
No, in the bag.
Okay. मैं बुलाता हूँ. आओ आओ आओ. आहूँ. Of 1. Ahum. Of 2. How many? 2. Ahum. Of 3. How many? 3. Magic. Disappear.
मुझे निकाला ही था. मुझे निकाला ही था.
Okay, अब आएगा. आओ. आहूँ. Ahum, 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 ahum. Please impress. If you want to see one more, say one more. This is the bigger one. Whoa. Iron bowls, but not a real magic. If I could produce iron from the stomach, I could be more rich than Lakshmi Narayan Mittal in English. That's the trick to entertain all of you guys. And so many things happened with me because of the balls. Don't take otherwise. I'm talking about the iron balls. I was traveling, I was coming from Dubai, and I put my luggage and the X-ray machine. So all these balls produced the screen, and the cops went mad. And he called me, "Yo, kiska saman le raha hai?" मैंने कहा, "Sir, मेरा है." So यो के दिख रहे हैं गोल गोल से। मैंने कहा सर गोले हैं। एंड ही स्टोड अप, के तू गोले ले रहा है, खोल सामान। देन आई ओपन माय ओल्ड स्टफ और गोले ये बाहर निकाले और उनको दिखाए मैंने। तो वो पूछने लगा कि लोहे के गोले इनका क्या करा है? मैंने कहा जी मैं मैजिक करता हूँ। ईशा के सब मैजिक करा है गोलों से। मैंने कहा जी पेट से निकलता है, पेट से निकलता है मगर ये तो बाहर है। देन आई हैड टू परफॉर्म। इमेजिन सब ट्रैवलिंग लोग खड़े हैं, थका हारा आदमी, they were watching magic, so suddenly it's happening magic on X-ray machine. Then I saw him and again he taken the ball, ये सारा लिया और बोले यार तू अजीब आदमी है, लोग दुबई से आवा है, सोना लावा है, तू पहला आदमी लोहा ला रहा। मैंने कहा मैं मदारी हूँ। फिर मैंने डमरू बंसरी बजा के दिखाया and he related with the डमरू बंसरी, the real symbol of the मदारी। अरे तू मदारी है? मैंने कहा हाँ। वो जो गलियां मैंने कहा हाँ वही वाला मदारी हूँ मैं। तो उसने कहा कि तू ये बता दुबई कैसे गया? मैंने कहा मैं वर्ल्ड टॉप 20 मदारी हूँ, वो किस्मत ने बना दिया मुझे, तो आई हैव इनवाइटेड बाय गवर्नमेंट। तो तू अंग्रेजी भी बोल रहा है? मैंने कहा सिखा दिया लोगों ने। तो दुबई वाले बावड़े हो गए हैं, सोच रहे मदारी ने बुलवावा। माइंड में है ही नहीं कि मदारी भी कुछ कर। मदारी छोटे फिगर होते सोसाइटी इन इंडिया। I'm a world top 20, but what I do is not a professor in India. So these things happening, and I'm very happy today that I have performed in front of you, and maybe in future more. So thank you very much, Super.